Okay, so let's working on how to delete organizational unit, and then we use this platform on security here so that we can actually act on a real life situation. So in this case, you are the IT administrator for a corporate network, and you have just installed Active Directory on a Hyper-V guest server named CorpDC. So you have created an Active Directory structure based on the company departmental structure. So we actually did this in the previous video 4.45. Go out and check it out. So while creating the structure, you added a workstation OU in each of the departmental units, and you did the DVDs. So after further thought, you decide to use one of the workstation OU for the entire company. So as a result, you need to delete the departmental OU. So in this lab, we're going to delete as follows. Okay, so as it loads, I want us to take some time and go to the subscribe button and like if you can, and comment if you can. So we're going to the first step where we see within the marketing group, we're going to delete the workstation. So I want us to go to the Corp server, then go to CorpDC, and then under the CorpDC, I want us to go to tools, then Active Directory users and computers, then CorpNet server, and we're going to expand that. As you can see, we had already created the organizational unit. So what do we do next after we have put that? So I want us to go to, we're going to select view, then advanced features. Okay, so so we are we're going to select view, and then we're going to advanced features. So we have the advanced features here. Okay, so once we get to the advanced features, this allows us to disable the OU from accidental deletion. So from the left hand, we're going to expand the CorpNet.local, so the parent OU. So we're going to expand this. Then within the marketing OU. So we're going to the marketing OU, and we're going to delete workstation. So what do we do? Alright. So we are going to the parent OU, that is marketing, and then we are going to select properties, property again under the object tab. We are going to uncheck this, and then once you are able to uncheck that, we're going to say okay. Then we are going to right click on this and then delete. Then they're asking us if we are sure to want to delete the workstation here. I'm going to say yes, and as you can see, it's gone. Then we're going to do the same for the research and the so properties, object, and check, then apply, then okay. Then we're going to open it up, then we're going to delete the workstation. Yeah. Okay. Then we're going to work on the workstation in itself, and then we're going to say properties, and then object, and it's protected, so we apply, then okay. Then we're going to right click, and then click delete. Yeah, it's gone. Then we are going under cells, going to delete the workstation under cells. So first of all, we start with cells so that we have the right. So under properties, we go to object, we remove the protection, then click apply, then okay. Then come to workstation, remove the protection, then delete. So yeah. So basically these are the instructions that we've been going through. The first step was to access the CorpDC server, and as you can see from our Hyper-V manager, you are able to select Corp server, then go to the virtual machine pane, and you are able to double click on CorpDC. So the second step was to delete the applicable OUs, which involves selecting the tools, going to the Active Directory users and computer. Then we selected View Advanced Features. Then once you go to Advanced Feature, we disable the accidental deletion prompt. And from there, we went to the left and expanded the CorpNet.local. Then we went to the parents OU. So we were able to delete this by going to properties, then on the tab, then removing the protection from accidental deletion and selecting machine. Then from there, we went to the exact OU that we wanted it to be deleted, and we deleted it. So we confirm that yes, we have deleted the OUs, and we do this for step 2C to step 2H. So from the Active Directory users and computer menu bar, we were able to select View and then Advanced Features to turn off the Advanced Feature View. Okay, then so we need to do that last step. So from the Active Directory, we need to select View and then View, then turn off the Advanced Feature app. Okay, so I need us to see what we have just done. So from our Active Directory user app that we have over here, remember the first time when we click this, so we need to actually, once you do this, we are able to get the preview our organization features. But then, well, because you're finishing up your task, then you can turn off the advanced feature app like that. So that is how you do the deletion of the organizational unit. Okay, so take your time and remember to subscribe, to like, and comment.